Hey you guys, I am making some delicious, easy, quick, fantastic, cheesy nachos today. They're really popular in our house, whether it's to have something in the evening or if you've got friends over. It's literally put some layers of yummy stuff together into the oven and it's ready in minutes. I've got a baking sheet here and I'm just going to put a single layer of some nachos here. I have got one jar, around 300 grams of salsa here, and to this I'm going to add a tin of refried beans, which was around 400 grams. Mix it all up, and then I'm just going to put spoonfuls all over the nachos which I've just put here. And if you want, which I definitely want, is I've got some chopped jalapenos here which I'm going to put as well. I've also got around 100 grams of cheddar cheese and 100 grams of mozzarella, and I've grated both of them, and I'm just going to sprinkle that as well. And then I'm going to put another layer on top and do exactly the same thing. If you want, you can add some chopped onions to this, but today I'm going to skip the onions. Another layer, and it is all layered up and ready to go into the oven. So I've got the oven at around 190-200 C, and this is going to go in there for around 20 minutes. It could take up to 25. What you want is a bit of color, very slight, and you really want all the cheese to be melted. You know, we haven't said our bye-byes yet. You can't eat still. Anyways, this is ready, the cheesy nachos, which is, as you can see, very popular in our house. So please do give this a go. They are really good if you want to make some quick guacamole with it. But actually, it's so good in its own that I don't make that all the time. We just eat it like this. And I think what makes it even special is the mixing of mozzarella with the cheddar, because they both have their own distinct taste and qualities, which just makes it delicious. So please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up if you like the recipe. I better go before Sia finishes the whole tray. And I'll see you next week for a brand new recipe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget.
Bye for now. On these good.